Is this the biggest AI shakeup we've seen yet? A Chinese startup just built an AI model that rivals OpenAI's best at a fraction of the cost. And get this, it's open source. DeepSeek has been making waves for two big reasons. They just released Janus Pro, a multimodal AI model family that reportedly outperforms OpenAI's DALL-E 3, Pixart-A, and Emu 3 Gen on benchmarks like GenEval and DPG-Bench, major tests for image generation and understanding. Their top-tier model, Janus Pro 7B, supposedly beats these well-known AI models, at least according to DeepSeek's own internal tests. Just days before launching Janus Pro, DeepSeek shocked the AI world with R1, their new language model. It matched GPT-4 level performance, yet it reportedly cost only $5, $6 million to develop. Compare that to the billions OpenAI and Google are pouring into AI research. It raises a huge question. Are we overpaying for AI development? DeepSeek is based in Hangzhou, China, which adds another layer to the conversation. The U.S. has imposed strict export controls on advanced Nvidia chips to slow down China's AI progress. But DeepSeek trained its models using Nvidia's H800 chips, which are technically less powerful than the restricted ones. Yet they still achieved GPT-4-like results. This challenges the idea that only the most expensive chips can build world-class AI. DeepSeek was hit by a cyber attack just as their AI assistant shot to the top of Apple's App Store in the U.S. A new AI chatbot drops, goes viral, crashes the website, then suddenly limits new registrations due to a security breach. Janus Pro comes in different sizes, from 1 billion parameters up to 7 billion. The flagship 7B model competes with DALL-E 3. Early community tests show it's solid at describing images and generating visuals, but it struggles with deeper reasoning and artistic refinement. When asked to describe an image with a metaphorical meaning, GPT-4 Vision picked up on the symbolism, while Janus Pro just gave a literal description. In image generation, it did well at sticking to the prompt, but lacked the fine-tuned polish of Stable Diffusion XL. As soon as news broke that DeepSeek built a GPT-4-level model for under $10 million, tech stocks tanked. Nvidia alone reportedly lost $600 billion in market value in a single day. If you don't need the most expensive chips to train competitive AI, then Nvidia's entire growth model is in question. Investors are wondering if the whole AI arms race is overhyped. If a Chinese startup can build a top-tier model for a fraction of the cost, are the billions being spent by OpenAI, Google, and Meta really necessary? OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said he's impressed by DeepSeek's work, but that OpenAI plans to release even better models soon. His message? We're not backing down. Former U.S. President Donald Trump made a rare AI-related statement, calling DeepSeek's success a wake-up call for the U.S. to stay competitive in AI development. This could fuel new discussions about AI policy, national security, and investment strategies. DeepSeek claims it spent just $5.6 million on training its R1 model, but skeptics argue that might only cover the final training pass, not the entire R&D process. Even if their total costs were 5 times higher, that's still way cheaper than anything from U.S. tech giants. DeepSeek credits new training techniques that help AI models focus on the most relevant data, saving computing power. They also leveraged open-source tools from Alibaba and Meta, fine-tuning them to create their own systems. This raises a debate. Is open-source AI accelerating innovation, or is it letting smaller players piggyback on the work of giants? DeepSeek's rise proves that smaller teams can build top-tier AI with clever engineering instead of billion-dollar budgets. It challenges the idea that only the most powerful chips can produce cutting-edge AI. It forces big tech to rethink whether massive AI spending is really necessary. China's AI sector is catching up fast, despite U.S. chip restrictions. OpenAI, Meta, and Google will have to respond. The AI industry might be in for a major shakeup. The rise of AI startups like DeepSeek is sparking broader questions about AI accessibility. If smaller teams can develop competitive models, could this lead to a democratization of AI technology? The potential for open-source innovation is growing, and we may see more independent researchers contributing to AI advancements. Another factor to consider is the ethical implications of AI development in different countries. If open-source AI becomes more widely adopted, how will governments regulate its use? The potential for misuse is a concern, especially in areas like deepfake technology and automated decision-making. The success of DeepSeek also underscores the importance of hardware efficiency in AI training. Instead of relying on top-tier GPUs, they optimized their approach to work with mid-range chips. This could signal a shift in how AI companies approach model training. One key takeaway is that AI development isn't just about computing power, it's about smart optimization. DeepSeek's training methods may inspire others to explore cost-effective alternatives, reducing dependency on high-end chips. DeepSeek's rise may also push Western tech companies to rethink their AI development strategies. If cost-efficient AI models can perform at GPT-4 levels, will companies continue to justify billion-dollar investments? With AI development costs plummeting, we may see a surge in AI startups experimenting with new architectures. This could lead to an explosion of innovation, reshaping the competitive landscape in the AI sector. Regulatory bodies may also take a closer look at DeepSeek's success. If a Chinese startup can achieve this level of AI performance despite U.S. sanctions, will Western governments adjust their policies? As AI models become more widely available, we could see new applications in industries beyond tech. Fields like medicine, law, and education may integrate AI tools more rapidly, changing how professionals work. The implications for AI education are also significant. With open-source models like Janus Pro, students and researchers have access to powerful AI tools that were previously locked behind corporate paywalls. If DeepSeek's model continues to improve, it could challenge the dominance of OpenAI and Google in the AI research community. A more competitive AI market may drive faster progress in AI capabilities. AI's rapid evolution brings both opportunities and risks. With open-source AI gaining traction, how will companies maintain control over misinformation and bias? The ethical debate around AI regulation will only intensify. One thing is clear: DeepSeek has changed the conversation around AI development. Whether their models sustain their performance or not, they've already reshaped expectations about cost efficiency in AI research. What do you think? Is DeepSeek's success sustainable, or is this just a one-hit wonder? Will smaller AI startups start outpacing the big players, or will companies like OpenAI always stay ahead with their massive resources? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI deep dives.